Okay, Larry. Here's the build 42. If you notice, the Yeezy set to COM6, the baud rate is set, auto launch is on. These are all the parameters. I have these selections set over here correctly, I believe. The SDR app and the app 1, which is HDR, app 2, which is N1mm logger. The virtual COM settings are over here. Virtual port 1 is set to HRD on COM7. Virtual COM port 2 is set to COM8 on N1mm logger. The programs are set up correctly, and I'm going to shut this down and restart. And here we go. The first one that'll boot up is HRD. N1mm should be next, and then LBP2, and then SDR. Okay, as you notice, I still have to manually press the start button, as I described in the email. Everything fires up the way it should. Got an error message. Let's restart again. That may be just due to the time factor that we had talked about, or that I had written about actually. So let me restart. Then exit N1mm. Failed to read those. Alright, it might be just a time thing. In other words, maybe I just didn't give it enough time to clear or reset. Not sure, but I just figured I'd show you. And give it a few seconds here. 2, 3, here we go. And here we start. N1mm, power SDR. Alright, everything appears to have started correctly. Everything seems to be running. And I'm going to go to SDR, start that up. That appears to have launched. It's on the right frequency. Okay, so yeah, it appears that I have to allow a certain amount of time for LBP2 or LBP2, sorry, to start correctly, or to reset, or to clear the ports, one or the other, which isn't a big deal. Like every other time, it's worked fine. So you know, it might be a time thing. The thing with HDR or HRD that I was talking about was, if you watch this as compared to here, if I just don't move, you know, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there. Okay, so in other words, you notice the lag in HRD that I was talking about. Let's flip this back to 3582, 1 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you notice the frequency change, so I'm going to go back to 3582, and if you notice, that's taking its good old time too. So there's a bit of a lag for the update on the 3582. Alright, if I change back to 34. Okay, that changed pretty quickly. That, however, is still, there it goes. So in other words, there's just a slight lag. I'm assuming that's normal, just letting you know. Thanks, and I will talk to you later. Hopefully this helps.